again, we talk about just broadly when most people tend to do the opposite. When the market's pulling in, most people try to get out, and then when the market's rallying, most people try to rush in. So for myself personally, towards the middle end of March, I was a little bit early getting back in. I was dollar cost averaging in a lot of the sectors when most of them were quite weak. And IBB was one of the ones that so far has worked the best. When as it was pulling back into these new lows, I was buying up through this $100 area when most the newer traders wouldn't necessarily be looking to buy that. And now on the flip side, when it does turn around and it is working its way back to new all-time highs, this is when the newer trader tends to kind of rush back in. But luckily for myself and the guys that bought in with me back in the middle of March, we can now sit and be much more comfortable in the position without having to be as perfect trying to buy the 128 in IBB. We can buy the 100 and hold this move. And when it goes to 150 or 200 down the road, we can look to take some profit. So that was just playing a little bit of defense when it was a little bit harder, and now it's kind of paying off. So that was one of the sectors that's been working very well.